Today, I'm going to show you how to search for a file using the built-in search function in Windows. So, we'll click Start, Search, and select for Files or Folders. Now as the search box comes up, you can see that there are some preset categories like pictures or music, documents or spreadsheets, files or folders, computers or people. For today, we're going to select all files and folders. Now, the program wants some search criteria, like part of the file name, a word or phrase that's in the file, what drive to search on, when it was modified last, and so on. But for today, we're just going to put in a part of the file name and do our search. So I'm looking for my wife's CV. So I'm going to put in her name and say search. Now you can see right away I've already found what I'm looking for. So I'll say stop. And you can see here that it found all of these documents and files that have the word Carol in them. It found her CV from 2004, 2008. It found the Coventry Carol, which is a song. It found Sweet Caroline, which is a DVD video. So, this is a quick and easy way to find a file that you're looking for by searching for part of the file name. And that's all there is to it.